If you've been searching for a frying pan that combines ease of use, durability, and a sleek design, look no further than this Bene Casa black non-stick aluminum frying pan with glass lid. At just 6 inches, this compact frying pan is perfect for everyday cooking tasks. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast, stir-fry, or even delicate fish. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or a seasoned pro, this versatile pan will quickly become your go-to cooking tool. Key features and benefits. The Bene Casa frying pan boasts a high-quality non-stick surface that makes cooking a breeze. Say goodbye to stubborn food residue sticking to the pan and hello to smooth cooking every time. Whether you're preparing eggs, bacon, or sautéing vegetables, you'll notice the difference immediately. The best part? Cleaning up after your meal is as simple as wiping the pan down or popping it in the dishwasher. The accompanying glass lid is not only aesthetically pleasing, but incredibly functional. With the lid on, you can easily monitor your food without lifting it, preserving heat and flavor. Whether you're simmering a sauce or making a quick stir-fry, the glass lid gives you a clear view without compromising cooking time. The ergonomic handle offers a sturdy and comfortable grip while you're cooking, reducing the risk of burns or accidents. The handle is designed to stay cool even when the pan is heated, adding an extra layer of safety for your peace of mind. No more spending extra time scrubbing pans after a long day of cooking. This dishwasher-safe pan is perfect for anyone looking to save time on cleaning. Simply pop it in the dishwasher, and it's as good as new. This is a major plus for busy individuals or anyone who loves easy-to-maintain kitchen tools. Constructed from high-quality aluminum, this frying pan is built to last. Unlike cheaper alternatives, the Bene Casa pan resists dings, scratches, and dents, even if it's accidentally dropped. Its durability ensures that you'll get years of use, making it a fantastic long-term investment. Why choose the Bene Casa black non-stick frying pan? This 6-inch frying pan is ideal for small households, single servings, or anyone who prefers the ease of using a smaller pan. Whether you're cooking a small omelet or a portion of stir-fry, the compact size offers optimal control without excess heat or wasted energy. Here's why the Bene Casa pan should be in your kitchen. Compact and functional, perfect for small portions or limited kitchen space. Effortless cooking and cleanup, thanks to its non-stick surface and dishwasher-safe design. Durable build, made to withstand daily use without scratches or dents. Safe and user-friendly, featuring a cool touch handle and glass lid for ultimate convenience and safety. Affordable quality, a high-performance pan that doesn't break the bank. Ideal for busy individuals. If you don't have time to scrub pans, this non-stick option is a dream come true. Small households and singles, the 6-inch size makes it perfect for quick single servings. First-time cooks, the non-stick surface and glass lid make it incredibly easy to use for anyone new to the kitchen. The perfect addition to any kitchen. Whether you're an experienced chef or someone just starting out, the Bene Casa black non-stick aluminum frying pan is a must-have in your kitchen. With its non-stick surface, glass lid, and dishwasher-safe design, it provides the perfect balance of convenience, safety, and performance. Pros and cons. Pros: non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleanup. Dishwasher-safe, saving you time and effort. Glass lid allows you to monitor food without lifting it. Compact and lightweight, perfect for small servings and easy handling. Durable aluminum construction resists scratches and dents. Cool touch handle for safe, comfortable cooking. Cons: small size 6 inches may not be suitable for large meals. Non-stick coating may wear over time with heavy use. Not induction compatible, won't work on induction cooktops. Glass lid fragility, can break if dropped. Limited for larger cooking tasks like multiple servings or bigger dishes. Final thoughts. When it comes to finding a reliable frying pan that is easy to use, easy to clean, and made to last, the Bene Casa 6-inch black non-stick aluminum frying pan delivers on all fronts. Its compact size, durable construction, and thoughtful design make it a standout kitchen essential. Perfect for a wide range of cooking tasks, from breakfast eggs to dinner stir-fries, this frying pan is an investment in both convenience and quality. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.